Hi guys, before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, What Tech, to never miss out any of the future videos.
Windows 11 has been recently announced, but because I was really busy and I needed the rest of constant uploading pretty much every day, I am very late with this video, and I'm very sorry. But anyways, Windows 11 is the newest version of Windows, which is very confusing because Microsoft did say Windows 10 is the last version of Windows with updates every so often. But Microsoft lied to us and now released a new Windows, which is very complicated to install. Yes, Microsoft does give us a free update to Windows 11, but the problem is that you need to have Secure Boot on, TPM 2.0, and a DirectX 12 capable GPU. That's pretty much any GPU these days, even my APU's Ryzen 5 4650G Pro has DirectX 12 capable, so it's fine. But some don't, like a 1050 Ti probably. So anyways, I'll make a video about TPM and DirectX 12 later, but back to the problem. You need to search for system information in the search tool under the Windows key, or you can type in msinfo32, then look for BIOS mode, and if it says UEFI, you need to do some work. If it says legacy, I recommend following these steps. Step 1. Shut down your PC, and before you turn it on, please check with your motherboard manufacturer to see what button you have to press to get into the BIOS or UEFI. Mostly it will be the delete button, but please check. So anyways, turn on your computer and quickly start pressing the button to access the BIOS or UEFI. Most of the time BIOS is found on Intel motherboards and UEFI is found on AMD motherboards. But again, that doesn't mean anything, it's still the same thing, it's just they look differently. Okay. When you're in there, look around for a section in the top called boot mode or something with boot in it. Then click it or press enter, because in BIOS you can only use the arrow keys and the enter or the backspace button, whereas in UEFI you can use a mouse or the keys. Then select the BIOS mode and select legacy. Now from here, look around the whole BIOS and try to find secure boot. When you find it, enable it, and boom, you're ready to hold your happiness to. All of this may work or it won't, since Microsoft did put out limitations onto your CPU. So according to Microsoft, if your CPU is older than 2 years, then you can't use Windows 11. But people have been testing CPUs and that are even older. So don't believe everything Microsoft says. TPM 2.0 isn't really a big issue, since according to Microsoft, older versions may work as well. To check if your GPU supports DirectX 12, go to the search tool and type in DXDIAG, all lowercase by the way. So the conclusion is Windows 11 worth all of this? Well, no. Microsoft has done it. All Microsoft has done is shoot themselves in the foot and encourage Windows users to switch to Linux, like I'm planning to do, like I've actually done, because this script and video has been planned before I actually got to install Linux Ubuntu, so that's why. Yeah. Oh, by the way, on Gigabyte motherboards, like if it's a motherboard like mine, which is the A520MS2H, you'll have to disable some. I'll check. I'll put it in the comments or description, but I'll check where you have to disable to enable or disable secure boot. And so yeah, that's it. I'll make any other changes in the description or the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.